Team Ryan means green.
You may not think that environmentally conscious and auto repair can go together, but here at Team Ryan, we're changing that.
Anybody can recycle a cardboard box or a plastic bag or a coffee cup. Here at Team Ryan, we do so much more than that. Every bit of antifreeze that's drained from your vehicle is recycled, batteries recycled, tires that get replaced get recycled.
Any fluid that happens to get spilled in the shop isn't soaking into the concrete. Team Ryan has an industrial acrylic floor system that completely seals the floor. Things like oil and antifreeze will sit on the floor to be soaked up and disposed of properly, which meets the Gwinnett Clean and Beautiful standards. They will never seep through the concrete or down into the soil. Team Ryan installed high-performance T5 fluorescent lighting that consumes less electricity, while also providing a brighter environment for our mechanics to fix your car. In the office, we use recycled ink cartridges for all our printers. And then there's this.
Every bit of oil that's been drained from a vehicle since our inception in 2015 has been burned here in our facility in our waste oil heater. That's how we heat our shop in the wintertime. Not only are we not consuming natural gas or electricity, we're burning the waste that we create.
While not everything in the business can be reused, Team Ryan has a recycle bin that's more than 2 times bigger than its garbage bin, and it's routinely filled up first. Team Ryan, leading by example when it comes to being environmentally conscious.